What happens when a person is arrested for prostitution in New York? Attorney Eric Sachs explains that. For a person arrested for prostitution, that's a misdemeanor, and they face up to 1 year in jail. These cases right away, like any other crime, are eligible for the possibility of going to jail. It depends on the breakdown of who the prostitute is, the age of the prostitute, the age of the John. For instance, here in New York, you can have patronizing a prostitute in the 2nd degree. We have a patronizing a prostitute in the 4th degree. We have patronizing a prostitute in the 3rd degree, and we have patronizing a prostitute in the 2nd degree. So before we mention going to jail for up to a year, that's patronizing a prostitute in a 3rd degree, a misdemeanor. Now you go into the 2nd degree, and that's an E felony. And the difference between that is that the John, as we're referring to him, is over 18 and the prostitute is younger than 14. Not only is that an E felony on that side, but now we got into the Sex Offender Registration Act, where, depending on what's going on, he may have to report as a sex offender. Then we have other ones. We have patronizing a prostitute who's less than 11. That's a D felony. Depending on the ages, the severity of the punishment and the type of crime increases. People could end up in jail for many years for what they originally thought was okay. They think it's okay to pay somebody to have sex, but we don't recognize that alone because it depends on the age of the individual. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Eric Sachs in New York today, and you will learn how the attorney can make a difference in the outcome of your case.